Hello everyone, good day. Today I'm doing an unboxing for two apples. I just bought the new Apple product. So first I have the iPad 9th generation Wi-Fi, and we will do unboxing today. So yeah, let's open this new iPad 9th generation 64 GB. I think I should have scissors with me. So it's my first iPad. I really love Apple product. It's too tiny, see? Too tiny. And I choose dark gray for my new iPad. So we got Apple sticker and some important instruction guidelines how to use the iPad. I believe so. And we also got charger. I think that's all. And now we're gonna try to turn it on, how it's work. I think I need to charge this first so that it will turn it on. It's look like a big phone. Yeah, it's look like I have a big phone with me. Or maybe here's the turn on. Yeah, it's on now. We will wait for a couple of minutes. And it says hello when you first open it. Hello. And there's different language that came out, and I will choose English. I choose English and I choose United States. And I will set up manually. And I need to connect it with my network. And now I'm finished and you are successfully logged in. Here you go. And now it's time to open the new iPhone that I have with me.